Hello students, today's topic is knapsack. Knapsack is basically means bag, a bag of given capacity. Okay, there are n items are available with their profit, and you have to add the item in such a way that you have to get the maximum profit. And it is not possible to add all the items into the bag. Okay, you have to add the item in such a way that you have to get the maximum profit. To solve the knapsack problem using dynamic programming method, okay, we are using this recurrence relation. V of ij equal to 0 if I equal to 0 or j equal to 0. V of I comma j equal to V of I minus 1 comma j if weight of item I greater than j. V of ij equal to max of V of I minus 1 comma j comma V of I minus 1 comma j minus wi plus pi if weight of item I less than or equal to j. Problem. Apply dynamic programming technique to the following instance of the knapsack problem with a capacity m equal to 4. There are 3 items and the weight of each item is 2, 1, 3. The profit of the items are 12, 10, 20. Okay, given that n equal to 3 and m equal to 4. Okay, this is a recurrence relation and I am converting that one to the coding statement. If I equal to 0 or j equal to 0, V of ij equal to 0. Else if weight of item I greater than j, V of ij equal to V of I minus 1 comma j. Else V of ij equal to max of V of I minus 1 comma j comma V of I minus 1 comma j minus wi plus pi. N equal to 4 and m equal to 4, we have a solution matrix consisting of n plus 1 rows and m plus 1 columns as shown below. Okay, in the problem, if n value and m value, you have to construct the matrix with n plus 1 rows and the m plus 1 columns. Okay, now we construct 4 rows and 5 columns. Okay, first cell I equal to 0, j equal to 0. Okay, if condition, okay, either I or j equal to 0, V of ij value is 0. V of 0 comma 0 is 0. Next I equal to 0, j equal to 1. Okay, I value is 0, so V of 0 comma 1 equal to 0. Similarly, I equal to 0, j equal to I value is 0. If condition satisfied, V of 0 comma 2 equal to 0. Next I equal to 0, j equal to 3, I value is 0, so V of 0 comma 3 equal to 0. I equal to 0, j equal to 4, V of 0 comma 4 equal to 0. Okay, all these values are satisfied by the if condition, so V of ij value 0. Next, second row, first column, I equal to 1, j equal to 0, weight of item 1 is 2 and profit of item 1 is 12. Now the j value is 0 if condition satisfied, so V of 1 comma 0 equal to 0. Next I equal to 1, j equal to 1, w1 equal to 2. Now if condition is not satisfied, so control goes to the else if. Okay, in the else if condition is wi greater than j, w1 greater than j, w1 is 2, 2 greater than 1, true. So V of 1 comma 1 equal to V of 1 minus 1 comma 1. That is V of 0 comma 1. Okay, in the matrix V of 0 comma 1 value is 0. So V of 1 comma 1 0. Next I equal to 1, j equal to 2, w1 is 2, p1 is 12. Okay, in the else if condition is wi greater than j, w1 greater than j, 2 greater than 2, false. So control goes to the else part. And the else part statement is this one. Okay, substitute the ij value. V of 1 comma 2 equal to max of V of 0 comma 2 comma V of 0 comma 0 plus 12. Okay, fetch the value from the matrix, substitute in the statement. Okay, we got max of 0 comma 0 plus 12. Okay, V of 0 2 in the matrix 0 2 value is 0 comma 0 0 value is 0 plus profit 1 value is 12. Max of 0 comma 12, maximum value is 12. Next I equal to 1, j equal to 3, weight of item 1 is 2, profit of item 1 is 12. Okay, check the condition. W1 greater than J, 2 greater than 3, false. So control goes to the else part, and the else part statement is this one. V of 1 comma 3, substitute I value, J value, and the W1 value and the P1 value. Okay, we got max of 0 comma 12. Okay, max of 0 comma 12 value is 12. V of 1 comma 3 value is 12. Next, I equal to 1, J equal to 4, W1 is 2, P1 is 12. Okay, compare W1 with J. 2 greater than 4, false. So substitute the values in the statement. V of 1 comma 4 equal to max of V of 0 comma 4 comma V of 0 comma 2 plus 12. Okay, max of V of 0 comma 4 value 0 in the matrix, and 0 to cell value is also 0 plus P1 value 12. Okay, max of 0 comma 12 12. So V of 1 comma 4 value is 12. Okay, next third row, I equal to 2, J equal to 0, W2 1, and the profit of item 2 is 10. Okay, now the J value is 0 if condition satisfied. So V of 2 comma 0 equal to 0. Next, I equal to 2, J equal to 1, W2 1, P2 10. Okay, now the if condition does not satisfied, control goes to the else if part. W2 greater than J, 1 greater than 1, false. So control goes to the else part. Okay, after substituting the values in the else part, okay, we got maximum value is 10. So cell V2 comma 1 value is 10. Okay, next I equal to 2, J equal to 2. After substituting the values, we got V of 2 comma 2 equal to 12. Next, I equal to 2, J equal to 3. Okay, W2 greater than J, 1 greater than 3, false. Okay, control goes to the else part. Substitute I value, J value, W2 value, P2 value. Okay, maximum value we got 22. So 2 comma 3 value is 22. Next, I equal to 2, J equal to 4, 1 greater than 4, false. Substitute the values, and we got the cell V of 2 comma 4 equal to 22. Next, last row, I equal to 3, J equal to 0. If condition satisfied, because J value is 0, so V of 3 comma 0 equal to 0. Next, I value 3, J value 1. Compare W3 with J, 3 greater than 1, true. So control goes inside the else if part. V of 3 comma 1 equal to V of 2 comma 1. Okay, the matrix 2 comma 1 value is 10. So V of 3 comma 1 value 10. Okay, now I value 3, J value 2. Compare W3 with J, 3 greater than 2, true. So V of ij equal to V of I minus 1 comma j. V of 3 comma 2 equal to V of 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2 value is 12. So V of 3 comma 2 value is 12. Next, I equal to 3, J equal to 3. W3, compare W3 with J, 3 greater than 3, false. So control goes to the else part. V of 3 comma 3 equal to substitute I value, J value, W3 value and the P3 value. Okay, there we got max of V of 2 comma 3 comma V of 2 comma 0 plus 20. Okay, max of 22 comma 20, maximum value is 22. So the cell 3 comma 3 value is 22. Next, I equal to 3, J equal to 4. Condition W3 greater than J, 3 greater than 3, false. So control goes to the else part. V of 3 comma 3 equal to max of V of 2 comma 4 comma V of 2 comma 1 plus 20. 2 comma 4 value is 22 and 2 comma 1 value is 10 plus P3 value 20. Max of 22 comma 30, maximum value is 30. So V of 3 comma 4 value is 30. Okay, from the matrix, what we computed the values and we stored the values inside the matrix. Okay, now we have to find out the optimal solution. Knapsack problem optimal solution is V of n comma m, where n is the number of items and m is the capacity of the knapsack. In the given problem, n equal to 3 and m equal to 4. Therefore, optimal solution is V of 3 comma 4 equal to 30 units. Okay, the dynamic programming problem, whatever in knapsack problem, whatever we have the last value, that is the last cell value, n comma m value, that is the optimal solution. For the given problem, optimal solution is 30 units. Okay, now analyze the time complexity. Okay, the algorithm, it consists of the matrix n into m, t of n equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n, summation of j equal to 1 to m. Upper bound minus lower bound plus 1, m minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, the remaining term is m. Okay, next take the m outside. Okay, we got summation of I equal to 1 to n, 1. Apply upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. Okay, that is n minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, the remaining term is m into n. Time complexity of dynamic knapsack problem is theta of m into n. Practice question 1. Apply dynamic programming technique to solve the following instance of the knapsack. N equal to 3, m equal to 4. Okay, weights are 1, 2, 3. Profits are 18, 16, 6. Practice question 2. Apply dynamic programming technique to solve the following instance of the knapsack. N equal to 4, m equal to 5. Weights are 2, 1, 3, 2. Profits are 12, 10, 20, 15. Students, solve these problems and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Students, if you understand the concept, like and share the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for next notification. Thank you.